6 ways to be fit and healthy. First thing to do is to keep yourself fit and healthy. Get moving. Improve your heart health. Boost your brain health. Improve your mood. Help with weight management. Strengthen your bones and muscles. Reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Second is, eat more whole food. Avoid eating processed food and eat more whole food. Whole food example, like fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, eggs, meat, seafood, olive oil, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, etc. Processed food examples, like baked food, cakes, pastries, chips, etc. Processed meats, hot dogs, sausage, etc. Sugar-sweetened beverages. Third one and most important one is, make sleep a priority. Create a quiet, dark, comfortable sleep environment. Avoid screen time before bed. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Limit your caffeine, alcohol, and nicotine intake. Try a natural sleep aid. Fourth one is, stay hydrated. Women should drink at least 9 cups of fluid per day. Men should drink at least 13 cups of fluid per day. Drinking more water will help you exercise or exert yourself. Live in a hot, dry climate. Spend time outdoors in the sun. Make water your go-to beverage. Fifth step is, make preventive care a priority. This should be done at least once in 6 months year. Measurement of blood pressure and other heart health. Blood tests for cholesterol and blood glucose. Depression screening. Obesity screening. Colonoscopy, a screening for colorectal cancer. Osteoporosis screening. Final and sixth step is, manage stress in a healthy way. By doing breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, regular exercising, being creative, yoga or tai chi, or meditation.